are ya? We are going to go get us some gorgeous Asphalt Millings. I figured I'd take you along for the ride. You can make fun of my driving. Shouldn't be too bad. Gotta get some air on, and it's probably going to be kind of noisy in here. I got fuel, checked the oil, checked the water, checked the tires. I think we're good. Are you ready? It's hot. It is definitely hot. I don't need those sunglasses right now. I don't think, anyway. Locked my hood down. I got air in the bags. Let's roll on. Roll on. Roll on now. Roll on now. Bring it to work. Like I asked you to do. Roll on, 18-wheeler. Roll on. Roll on. Giving me issues. It wants to be dead on 1,000 RPM before it wants to go into gear. I mean, it's fine, right? You just deal with what you have to deal with. That's all. Is this thing going to fall off the windshield, I wonder? I hope not. I sure hope not. You'll get to hear that Jake brake run, but I hate to turn it on too soon because it acts like it makes the truck backfire. Sounds like it's backfiring if you turn it on and the truck's too cold. Yes, my what do you call it? Clutch brake is pretty sensitive, tricky. Like you got to push the pedal through the floorboard in order to get it to engage, I guess. You need adjusted. I don't know. You big truck drivers, you let me know what that means, because all I know how to do is get it down the road, right? I don't work on them, I just drive them. That's not entirely true. I do work on them a little, but only as a helper, not as a lead. I am no mechanic, I promise. My RPM gauge doesn't want to work. It's bouncing, boing, 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 boing. I shouldn't be going this fast down the hill. Well, not excited yet. So this is probably going to be a fairly boring ride. I have no idea how fast I'm going to have to sound like I'm flying. I have to turn my Apple on because I'm not even sure that the speedometer is even working right. So let's get that monitored so I know exactly what I'm doing. I have an app on my phone, and it says I'm going 60, and my gauge says I'm going 53. And we have to watch an advertisement because everything is an advertisement nowadays. I can't just get the information that I need. So basically we walk around with these cell phones that are basically advertisements in our pocket. And market them that we need them, right? We have to use them in order to live. Because they have our calculator and our GPS and all of our, you know, they remember everything for us. Except for they're constantly advertising things for us to buy. We probably would save ourselves a whole lot of money. Probably be smarter people in general if we didn't have these cell phones. That's probably what would happen. I doubt if anybody's going to do that, right? I'm not. I mean, look, I'm recording me talking to you as if you're here. This is my legitimate way to talk to myself and feel like I'm not talking to myself. across the Escambia River. I don't live far from it. Oh, it's speeding again. I don't know why the speedometer isn't going to work today. I mean, the fuel gauge is working. So why is the speedometer going to act up? Who knows? Nice rig. That is a tow truck, and he is beautiful. Beautiful. That rig's gorgeous. I don't know if you heard me or not. Lots of people don't run their CVs anymore. They're too busy on the phone. They just call the people they want to talk to, right? Instead of yelling at each other, yelling at truck drivers, each other. You know what I mean? On the CV. Don't like to talk to strangers. They don't want to talk to their people back home. Can't say that I blame them. I don't know. I guess I just don't have that many people to call. Or the people that I want to call are busy on working. You know, busy working during the day. Hear that, Jake? I love my Jake. That building's still for sale. Why can't I get it in gear? There it went. My water fell over down there. If you heard that clunk, I'd like to have me a drink of that water. The lighting in here, is it simply awful? I think it is kind of dark in this cab. I mean, it works for me, but as far as the camera goes, it may not be the best for you. Roll of tape. I have to roll of tape on the bottom. It helps it stand up. I don't know what that tape's for, actually. Green. It's like a paper tape. It's like you would think it's like paint tape. I don't know who would paint. Been in here for a long time, so I don't know. And we're in Century. Florida, right? No. I don't know if I like that name. It doesn't sound like it goes together. See, like there's the town Wilmington, Alabama, that has a nice ring to it, right? But Century, Florida, I don't know that has a nice ring. I think it's a little on the awkward side. In my opinion. Nothing against the town, it's just the way the name sounds with the state. The name of the city sounds with the state. Century, Florida. It just doesn't seem like it rings. Those are the things that I concern myself with while I'm driving down the road in my dumpster. So, speedometer's closer now. My gauge says I'm going 45, and I'm actually going 48, 49. I'm about to go faster. I'm coming out of this town. So it's about a 45-minute drive from the house down here to get to Millen, almost an hour back. That's rough estimate, and that's, you know, assuming instead of doing the speed limit, which I don't always do. But nothing's about to give me a heart attack.